Artificial intelligence.
Can artificial intelligence ever replace courtroom judges? Can we trust the legal decision-making to artificial intelligence? Before we discuss the answer to these, please take a second to hit the subscribe button. And if you find the video interesting, make sure to like it as well. Now back to our topic. Are you aware that there are over 100 robots in courts in China, and each of these robots is silently working towards the smart justice? These aren't just robots. They're like magic information wizards, able to find case histories and pass verdicts super fast. Some even specialize in tricky areas like business law or work disputes, making them virtual legal experts. But can AI take the place of a judge in a court? Can we entrust AI with decisions of human life? Let's delve into this topic to find out. Artificial intelligence is already a legal helper. Artificial intelligence, AI, is adding a new layer to legal know-how. Picture this: computer codes, scanning private messages and social media comments, turning virtual chats into proof for courts. It's like having a secret helper sorting through all the digital noise, finding important legal clues. Even the traffic police are joining this high-tech adventure. Facial recognition tech, once only in science fiction, is real. These digital guardians can spot and punish traffic rule breakers with just a quick scan of their face. It's a time where law enforcement has a bit of silicon alongside human officers. Yet, these cool tech wonders are just the start of something bigger. The legal world is on the edge of revolution, where AI and robots are more than just tools. They're essential partners in the quest for justice. And here's an example that stands out. Chinese robot that deals with litigation questions and legal issues. In Beijing, China, there's a robot that knows the answer to more than 40,000 litigation questions and can deal with 30,000 legal issues. This robot is Shofa, and it is offering legal advice and helping the public get to the grip with legal terminology. Imagine Shofa, a robot straight from the future, standing tall in the Beijing #1 Intermediate People's Court. She's not just there to watch, she's a beacon of legal wisdom. Shofa isn't your ordinary robot. She's a legal genius with answers to tricky legal questions and the power to tackle legal puzzles. Shofa is leading the charge into a new era of law, a place where robots don't just help, they redefine justice. Can you imagine a world where robots like Shofa not only answer questions but also understand the tricky language of law? They can help judges and lawyers make fast and smart choices. It's like a dream where the legal process isn't just quick, it's almost perfect. But there are ethical questions to think about. How much trust should we put in these machines? Where does human judgment fit into all of this? Justice is so much more than just data and speed. Justice involves understanding the workings of human behavior, emotions, and the unique aspects of each case. A robot, no matter how advanced, lacks the empathy and intuition that human judges bring on the table. Humans can consider the broader context, including social, cultural, and ethical aspects, which might be challenging for AI to comprehend. Besides, when it comes to entrusting AI with decisions about human lives, ethical concerns loom large. Can we program morality into a machine? Will AI always prioritize justice over other factors? These questions highlight the need for careful consideration before handling the reins of justice to artificial entities. There is high chance of bias in the AI algorithms. AI systems learn from historical data, and if that data is biased, the algorithms can spread and even amplify those biases. This is a critical concern in legal system, where decision must be unbiased and just. If AI learns from the past judgment influenced by human bias, it could individually perpetuate discrimination and inequality. What's more, there's no accountability and transparency when it comes to AI. That's right, another challenge is the lack of transparency in AI decision-making. Unlike human judges who can explain their reasoning, AI decision often appears as complex algorithm hidden behind a digital curtain. This lack of transparency raises questions about the accountability. Who is responsible when an AI makes a wrong decision with serious consequences? Unlike humans, AI cannot reevaluate its decisions. In a legal system, the right to appeal is crucial. Humans can reevaluate their decisions, learn from their mistakes, and make corrections. Can the same be said for AI? If an algorithm makes a grave error, is there a mechanism for correction? And can we ensure that the AI system continuously learns and improves? Yet, one argument in favor of AI in the legal realm is its potential for objectivity. Unlike humans, machines are not influenced by emotions or external factors. They process information based on set algorithms and ensuring a consistent approach to every case. This could mean fair and impartial decisions, free from subjective distinctions that human judgment might bring. So, can we trust AI as judges? Possibility of AI replacing judges in the court. Using AI as a helper is like having a smart friend that can quickly find information and speed things up. But when it comes to letting AI be the main decision maker in the courts, it's like giving it a really big job. We have to be super careful to make sure it's fair, clear, and understand the human side of things. Imagine AI as a super fast tool that can sort through lots of details in a snap. It's great for making tasks easier and quicker. However, making important decisions, especially in the courts where people's lives are involved, is a serious task. So unless AI learns to be human, there is no way that it will ever replace the judges in the court. There are so many examples of cases where the evidence points a convict guilty, but with careful consideration through one's feeling, the reality turns out to be very different. And because AI is all about algorithms, there is no chance that AI can make up for this aspect of decision making in the court. Judges do so much more than just judging cases. Judges have lots of other important jobs in the legal world. Imagine a judge like the captain of a ship, steering the courtroom, handling lots of cases, and leading a team of people. These roles are tricky and involve many skills that are tough for AI to take over. One big job judges have is managing courtroom. It's like making sure everything runs smoothly during a play. They decide who talks, when to listen, and how to keep things fair. This is a bit like a chef organizing a busy kitchen, making sure each dish comes out perfectly. Handling a caseload is another vital task. Caseload is like a big pile of cases that need attention. Judges sort through these cases, deciding which ones need quick action and which can wait. It's a bit like being a superhero prioritizing tasks to save the day. Both of these things are not something you can see AI doing in the future. Take a moment and think about using AI for all these roles. It's a bit like having a robot captain instead of a human one. While AI can be super smart, it struggles with human touch, needed to manage people, make quick decisions, and handle a big load of cases. AI will probably stay a helper in the court to judges. Instead of replacing judges, AI has a big scope in being their helpful sidekick. Imagine AI as friendly assistant to judges, always ready to lend a hand. It can quickly gather a mountain of information, helping judges understand cases faster. This is like having a superhero sidekick who brings all the tools needed for a mission. AI is fantastic at organizing and sorting through a load of data. When judges have a big pile of cases, AI can help sort them out. It's like having a super fast friend who can quickly find the most important papers in a messy room. The legal world often involves lots of paperwork and keeping things in order. AI can handle this task with ease, making sure all the documents are in right place. It's like having a tech-savvy buddy who keeps everything neat and tidy. In the end, AI has a fantastic scope as a helper to judges. It can speed up tasks, organize information, and provide valuable insights. This partnership between humans and AI ensures a smoother and more efficient legal process, where technology assists but doesn't take over the unique qualities that judges bring to the courtroom. You should share your thoughts on this in the comments below, and stay tuned for the channel if you want to see more content like this.